Hey there guys, and welcome to some No Frills Division with Mr. Burns, and we're of course going to be doing some teaching. We're going to be doing some together, and then you're going to try some by yourself. Okay, let's have a look at some, and yes, you will need to know these. These will be in your assessment. Okay, so welcome to the teaching phase. Let's look at a sum like 3 into 364. And of course, I hope you know what we're talking about when we talk about division. Let's imagine we have the number 20 and we wanted to divide that by 4. That means we're trying to divide 20 into 4 equal parts, which is of course 5, 5, and 5. So if I had $20 and 4 favourite students and I wanted to give exactly the same amount of money to each student, I'd give them $5 each. Okay, but I don't do that because I'm a good teacher, and that would be a terrible thing to do as a teacher. Let's have a look at this sum. Here's how we do some division. We've got 364, and that's going to be divided by the number 3. Here's how we do it. We go 3 here, this 3, into this 3. And that, of course, equals 1. And we've done that. You can cross that off if you like. Then we go 3, this 3 again, into 6. And that, of course, equals 2. And that's done. So you can cross that off if you like. And then we go 3, this 3 over here, into 4, this 4 here. And that goes 1, because 3 into 4 goes 1. But there's a remainder, isn't there? So we write down, and what's the remainder? The remainder is 1, because 3 plus 1 is 4. So we write down remainder 1, and that's crossed off. Done. Great. Let's do another one. Let's do 6 into 893. Let's have a go at that one. And I wonder if I can move that. Big risk. Oh, I can. Very clever, Mr. Burns. Okay, let's go. First of all, we always start off on the left with division. So we go 6, and we try to put it into the first number we come across here, and that means into the 8. So 6 into 8 goes, well, it goes once, doesn't it? With a remainder. There's a remainder of 2, isn't there? Because 6 plus 2 equals 8. And now we've done the 8, we can get rid of that. Then we when we put the 2 over there, we carried the 2. There it is. Okay. Now we do 6 again into 29. So 6 into 29 goes, have to know your tables, 6 4s are 24. That's good. So 6 4s are 24 with 5 left over. So you carry the 5, get rid of that, it's done. Good. Now we've got to do 6 into 53, because we carried that 5, didn't we? Okay, 6 into 53. You've got to know your tables. Oh, get it right, Mr. Burns. It's a live video. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 8s are 48. And that's as close as we're going to get. So we go 6 8s are 48 with a remainder of, well, 48 to 53 is, help me out, it's a remainder of 5. Okay, I've given you 2 examples. It's time to do some together. Oh, actually, you know what? I want to do one more that's got a 0 in it, because it always tricks people, this one. Let's have a go at one with a 0. Okay, we have to do one with a 0 in it, because people often forget or don't know how to deal with the 0 properly. So let's have a go at that. Let's go. Well, here's our sum. 908 divided by 8. Here it is. So we always start off with the 8, and we go 8 into the first number here. 8 into 9, and that goes, 8 into 9 goes, of course, once, and there's a remainder of 1. Oh, I've done the wrong sum. Let's do it anyway. Let's do this one anyway. Curses. Okay. Anyway, so we've done that. Great. So now we carried the 1 because there was 1 remainder. So now it's 8 into 10. And let's do that. 8 into 10 goes once with a remainder of 2, doesn't it? So get rid of that. That's done. And 8 into 28 goes, well, 4 8s are 32. Too much. 3 times 8 is 24. So 3 8s, and there's 4 remainder 4. Okay, and this time I'm going to do the right sum. Please forgive me, students. Here we go. Okay, this is the sort of sum I wanted to show you. Good. This one's the one that tricks people. Okay, let's start off here. 7. Well, 7 into 709, isn't it? So let's go 7, okay, into 7. Let's start off on the left and then go to the first number. So 7 into 7 goes 1, doesn't it? Great. We did that. We've done this 7. Let's cross it off. It's a good habit. Now we go 7 into 0 goes how many? It goes 0. Very important you put down the 0. So let's do that. Put down the 0, then cross off the 0. People don't remember that. Make sure you do. Right, now we're at the end of the sum. 7 into 9 goes, well, once, and 7 plus 2 is 9, so there's 2 remainder. So 101 remainder 2. Right, let's do 1 or 2 together. Then you're going to do some by yourself. Right, here we go. Let's do 8 into, let's do 8 into 804. Okay? Start me off. Where do we start off? Start off with this 8. And we go 8 into 8, which is what? Hope you said 1. Right? Then we go with the 8. We'll cross that off. It's done. Let's go 8 again into this 0. Now, 8 into 0 goes how many times? Really important. Hope you said 0. Put down the 0. Cross it off. Done. Okay. 8 over here into 4 goes how many times? It doesn't fit, does it? It doesn't fit. And I should have showed you an example like this, but I'm showing you now. Because it doesn't fit, because 8 won't go into 4, we just say it's a... Okay, sorry about that brief break. Right, we're with this 8, and the 8... Because the 8 doesn't go into the 4, we have to say it goes 0 times, but you've still got to deal with this 4, so it goes 0 times remainder of 4, because you've still got the 4 there, don't you? Okay, let's do another one together. Let's go 6 into 328. 6 into 328, okay, so... Where do we start off? Start off at the 6, right? 6 into the 3, right? Doesn't go, does it? Doesn't go. So what are you going to put? You're going to put a 0, right? Now you've got that 3 there. You've got to deal with the 3, so you've got to carry it. So let's cross it off and carry it. Now we've dealt with it. Good. So now we're saying 6 into 32, which goes, well, 6 5s. 30, aren't they? And add the 2 because there's a remainder of 2. So 6 5s are 32, but you've got a remainder of 2, so we better pop that over there. And now we've got 6 into 28. Right. And so what's that? Can you work that out? 6 4s are 24. So you put down 6 4s, but there's a remainder, isn't there? Because it's 24, so what's the difference between 24 and 28? And I hope you've worked out that it is indeed remainder of 4. You're going to have a go at some by yourself, and I wonder how you're going to go. How exciting for you. Okay, here we go. We're going to go 5 into 502. You're going to have a go at that all by yourself. Okay, so pause me and have a go. Pause me and have a little go there. Okay, I hope you paused me. Let's come back. I'm going to show you what you should have done. I hope you got it right. Right, 5 goes into 5 once. Cross it off. Done. 5 goes into 0 0 times. Cross it off. Done. 5 goes into 2 0 times, but there's a remainder of this 2 here. You've got to deal with that 2. So we cross it off and we put a remainder of 2. I hope you got that correct. Okay, let's have another one. Right, I'll pause while I think of a tricky one for you. Okay, here's a good one. 8 into 368. All right, off you go. Have a go. Pause me. Okay, I hope you've had a go. Let's see how you went. Okay, 8 into 3. Cannot do. Can't do it. So cross it off and carry it. Done, thanks. And you put a 0 there. No harm. Okay. Let's go 8 into 36. We can do that. Thanks very much. 8 goes into 36 exactly 4 times, because 8 falls to 32 with a remainder of 4. So, done. Good. Now we're at the end. 8 goes into 48. Oh, what? 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. It goes in exactly. Right. That was the answer that you needed to have. Now, whether you had 46 or 046, it's the same. It's the same answer. Wonder how you went there. I hope you got it right. Let's have a go at another one. Let's have a go at 6 into 6,000. Oh, an 8. Just throwing a curly one there for you, Year 5. For you and me, actually. Alright. 6. Go. Look, pause me. Pause me. Okay. I hope you paused me. Okay. 6 goes into 6 once. Good. Done. Cross it off. 6 goes into 0 0 times. Cross it off. 6 goes into 0 0 times. Cross it off. Right? 6 goes into 8 once, doesn't it? And it's got a remainder of 2. And we are done. Okay. That's enough by yourself, guys. If you got those right, you could probably go ahead to the work. But if you need more instruction, another video should be right behind this one. Thank you very much, team.